All right, good morning, everybody. We have some very simple practice music theory information for you today. So we are going to do a joke quiz. Because you are watching this video, you're going to get a perfect score on it. Tell your friends. We want everyone to understand how to do this and get a perfect score. If you didn't watch this video, which isn't you, then you're probably going to do badly, because what we are learning about today is the history of the cardigan. There are going to be 3 questions on this quiz. It will be very easy if you watch this. This is what's important to know. This is just a sample. It's not actually going to be music theory. It will count for a grade, and it will be super easy. So, question 1. Who is credited with inventing the cardigan? If you can't tell, this was Mr. McElroy's idea. The person who invented the cardigan is James Brudenell. He was the 7th Earl of Cardigan, which I guess is a place in England. I don't know. This will be multiple choice. I'm going to put various different kind of things like 5th, 8th, whatever. The answer is 7th. He's the 7th Earl of Cardigan, James Brudenell. You can write it down so that you've got it. Question 2. Lord Cardigan was an officer in the British Army during what war? The Crimean War. Crimea is basically part of Ukraine, but don't worry about that. It's the Crimean War. Just remember that. That's the answer. If you answer the Vietnam War, that was in the 70s, and you're wrong. It's the Crimean War. The Crimean War, okay? Lord Cardigan invented the cardigan after what happened? This is what happened. The tails of his coat had accidentally been burnt off in a fireplace. I'm going to make up other things that are equally silly, but that's not correct. Those are lies. This one is that his tails of his coat got burnt in a fireplace. That's the right one, the fireplace. All right. So when you take this quiz, it's going to be timed only 2 minutes, because I don't want people to be able to Google this, because I basically just got all of this off of the Wikipedia entry for cardigan. So it's going to be timed. You need to know 3 things. James Brudenell, the 7th Earl of Cardigan, just remember 7th, okay? Second thing is the Crimean War. That's where he was an officer, the Crimean War. And the third thing is that he burnt the tails of his coat in the fireplace. All the other things are made up. Don't answer them. Get those 3 right, and you'll be perfect. And then next week, we will do some actual music theory, and it will be a grand old time. All right. Have a good one, everybody. See you in a bit.